back again with our setup and plan outlook, and clearly know today we have NFP, and it's highly effective. And the only advice I can give is, if you know nothing about fundamental analysis, if you know nothing about news, if you did zero research about news, or if you know nothing about trading news effect, please and please just watch the price. Don't just risk your money blindly. And if you get any trade, apply a proper risk management plan. Right? Okay. For today, the market is still in the same trend, because clearly you can see that the price broke this last swing low, and external structure is still bearish, right? And we had our, if you check, we had our supply zone here, and we had a clean reaction, but it was not strong enough. I think it was on 30 minutes. If you check our previous video, yeah, this one, but it was not strong enough to come out and take out this next swing low, but it just came back because of the news. And today our supply zone is still valid, if you see it, but now we have our liquidity sweep here. You can clearly see we have our liquidity sweep to the upside, of our liquidity sweep to the upside. So the market is a little bit slow just because of the news, and now it's your job just to wait patiently before you take any trade. Although you can get some scalping trades, but it's not good. It's better you wait, because news like NFP affects the market just even 1 hour before it's released, because all the buyers, they're just waiting for that impact before they take any opportunity to make that money. So we still have our swing low here, and we have our swing high here. You see? So for today, we still have our valid sell order block, which is this one. And we're going to be patient to wait for the news to be released. Then we see if we can take any trade, right? Either today or tomorrow. That's it for GU, and let's take on EU. EU, the price just continued to the upside, and you can see and our plan is very, very simple. Then the continuation of our breakout structure, and then have our continuation breakout structure to the upside, and our first supply, our first demand zone is here, and our second demand zone is here, because this one is already mitigated. So because of the price and because of the news, you're gonna be patient till news is released. Then you're gonna focus on continuing buying this market. Very, 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 very simple. And then for gold, Yesterday I had a clean trade. Did you check? This was our last breakout structure to the upside, and this was my change of character to the downside. So I had to go down to this was my order sell order block. Then I had to move to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we can see at our breakout structure to the upside and had our change of character to the downside. Then our internal order block, right? Then this was our entry. After breaking here, this was our clean entry to the downside. I'll make a recap. And then you have our breakout structure to the downside. Then change of character to the downside. Then a breakout structure to the downside. And still here we have our sell order block. The downside, scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, I have a valid pullback. Just focusing on sales right now, and if you get this break, just wait for the retest, then a continuation. Same thing for GU. Like I've already this tab. News is in play for GU. You get this break, then you wait for the retest, then a continuation. Super simple. If you get like this tab, then you get a pullback, then you get a confirmation. Super simple. Then for GBP, JPY, also simple price action, because that's the price we had our breakout structure. Then we had our price coming back to our discount zone, you can see it. Then we go to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. And it's just a breakout structure, but this time around it's internal. It's not external. It's internal structure. Then we had our change of character to the downside, and then another change of character to the downside, and the breakout structure to the downside. So we have our supply zone just here. And it's very simple. If you get our confirmation from here, then we continue selling. if the price disrespect this zone, you just wait for the retest, then a continuation. Then for GBP, GPY, the price was moving down, then automatically changed up. Then, but in turn, it's a downtrend, right? Bullish. Have our break of structure to the upside. After breaking to the downside. Then we move to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. Then the break of structure to the downside. Then the break of structure to the downside. Then we got our liquidation here, and then before we had our change of character to the upside, and then a change of character to the downside. Then we had our continuation break of structure, and then the price came, tapped in this sell order block which was here. Then it had to continue down. Then another break of structure to the downside, and then a change of character with this order block. And our plan is very simple. We just have to wait for the price, tap in here, then you get our confirmation, then you continue selling. Or scenario number 2, if the price disrespect this sell order block without giving us the confirmation for sales, then you wait for the break, then you retest, then a continuation. That's it, guys. Peace out.